Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can improve face unlock speed. At first you have to go for the settings, find biometrics and the security, and go for the face recognition. And when you are here, we have to go for the settings for the faster recognition. Tap on the switcher to enable, then turn off this one, required open eyes, and click to the brighten screen. And when you turn on these two options and disable this one, your smartphone will be definitely unlock faster. The face unlock will be works much better. Of course, it's less secure, but trust me, you cannot trick this phone with your images or photo, whatever you have. I tried every time and it doesn't work. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.